This outdoor portable igniter is made of steel, high quality, ensuring its durability even under high flame and heavy weight. The pot stand is designed to provide a stable placement of the cookware. The zigzag pattern on the stand reduces the possibility of the cookware slipping away. It is safe to use, sir. The product ensures the safety of the user and people around it. It comes with flame adjustment. You can adjust the intensity of the flames by following the instructions. It is easy to use and simple to assemble. All you have to do is follow some quick sound steps, and it will be ready to use. You can carry it with yourself due to its lightweight and the ability to disassemble. It is suitable for outdoors, camping, picnic trips and other outdoor activities. You can place your order by going to our website, and even claim a discount by logging in and following it.